Ilunga lekomidi le-ANC ULindiwe Sisulu uthi umthetho ukuthi amalunga asolwa ngezenzo eziphambana nokulunga kufanele azibekele ngeqadi kwaba isiqunto esithathwe econferencini yokhetho ubuholi ngo-2017 kodwa kubonakala ingasuthi kusebenza kabanye.
My view on it is that when we put the step aside resolution, I don't think that we had seen it through to its end. I don't think we'd paid as much attention to it as we should have, because we are now prejudging a case that is before the courts and sentencing somebody for what we think is a wrongdoing.
Sisulu ukutsho lokhu nakakhulumisana nomhleli wendaba zepolitiki kwa SABC umzwandile Mbheje lapho akhuphe ingonyuluka ngezinto ezithinta umnyango wakhe kunye nehlangano ebusako. Enkulumeni zakhe akhangisale indaba yemthangalasekelo yonokeleko wathi indaba ye-Eskom imraro omkhulu.
Eskom is a real problem. We are under the kind of load shedding we've never experienced before. We could go on and on, but it would be like self-flagellation, hitting myself on my back for something that we should have done. But I think that I can say that there are ways in which we could solve these matters.
Ongqongqotjhe wezokuvakatsha ukhulume ngezinto ezithinta ukuphungulwa kwe-ofisi yobuzenda be-Israel enarheni le wathi batsho wasala yedwa emrarweni nganamuntu ongamsiza nakasesengungqongqotjhe wezobudlelwano bamazwe ngamazwe.
I expected him to come to my rescue. It was a public matter everybody could see, and I would have expected that he would say, look, this is my minister and I am going to protect the resolutions of government, of the NEC conference. I was left dangling alone.
Are you saying to me the president just kept quiet?
The president kept quiet.
Usisulu uthi uzosamukela isiphakamiso sokuba ngumengameli we-ANC nange amagatsha wehlangano amphakamisa.